All right, welcome back to the InScentive Collection, Tesla Edition. I'm Brandon, and today we have Nishane Nefs. Nefs. All right, so before we do anything, I need you to hit the like, hit the subscribe, so that you can be notified when I do these things. All right, and so let's unsheath this thing. Look at that. Not too bad, not too bad. So we're gonna go ahead and get straight into this. We have another warm, spicy, woody, floral, honey, oud. Trying to get that in there. Oud, rose, sweet, whiskey, vanilla, leathery fragrance. And I can tell you right now, this is high damn quality. Like, this is high quality. Wow. All right, that's it for the review. This is great. No, I'm playing. Let's get into some of the notes here. I like this a lot. I do. Rose, osmanthus, nutmeg, jasmine. I'm a big fan of jasmine. Geranium, and in the base, boy, I missed a whole section. Top notes, you have honey, saffron, fig, violet, and sage. In the middle notes, you have the rose, osmanthus, nutmeg, jasmine, and geranium. And in the base, you have that arga oud, whiskey, vanilla, leather, amber, cinnamon, garjon, balsam, and cedar. And the cedar I'm picking up for sure. The leather, the cedar, I'm picking that up. I think geranium as well. I like this a lot. This is not something that I need to let develop. This is a high quality fragrance, man. It's probably very expensive. This is nice. Yeah, I like this. I would buy this. This is probably expensive. It's a little bit higher price premium than the other ones. It is coming in that gold encased packaging, and I remember smelling these in Istanbul, and they were a little bit more pricey. But my whole arm is like radiating something crazy. High quality, high quality, high quality, for sure. I definitely like this. It's got a bit of a menthol type of aspect to it. But it's also, this smells like, this might sound kind of crazy, but it smells like the wilderness. Like, it smells like you're about to start a fresh hike into the mountains. I like this a lot. I think this is pretty great. Have you tried this? Have you smelled this before? What do you think? Before you guys go, hit some of the great stuff that's on your screen right now. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.